shit these fucking pals be on, bro. Who's that right there? Huntress eyes. That's Queen B right here. You not coming inside the house. I don't fuck with you like that. Bye. You might be pregnant already. Like, no. Hoe ass. For those that don't know, yeah, because they have a whole incest party. They hold Diddy party. The only one that don't do it is him right there, the shapeshifter. He don't be smashing his mama. But the rest of them, yeah. It's fucking sick. I caught them doing it in my house. That's why I haven't been really posting videos like that, because I kicked everybody out. Like, hell no, I don't even play those games. I don't like incest. I don't like graping. I don't like any of that. And it really, really, really disgusted me. Yo, stop.